No. An order has been sent from the Crown to Jamaica. Jamaica people, wake up. And if you don't know what this order is that the government of Jamaica will have to pay Mr. Vybz Kartel $15 million. Now, people of Jamaica, the reason why I'm telling them to wake up, you have to understand, this isn't coming out of Paula pocket or out of Andrew pocket. This is coming out of the taxpayers of Jamaica pocket. So if you all are uno down there, where work and I say, oh, Vybz Kartel for got prison, and Vybz Kartel for this, and Vybz Kartel for that. Now you will realize that your government of Jamaica is trying to send an innocent man to prison. And the repercussion of that is them paying back this man millions. You have to understand, say, Andrew have fee pension locking, Paula have fee pension locking. They don't care about the citizen of the country of Jamaica. So if them have to pay back Mr. Vybz Kartel $15 million ready for what them do at England, can you imagine when this man come out of prison and him 3 co-accused, the amount of money they will have to pay them? Well, I'm not afraid to say this, because I know Vybz Kartel and his co-accused lives are in danger. Because we know the amount of money that the Jamaican government will have to pay them back. So Andrew and Paula, Mr. Holiness and Miss Llewellyn, all eyes are on Jamaica right now. All I camera them turn on, right? Satellites and everything turn on. Everybody in Jamaica with them phone screen open and they on record. Uno can't do what uno do 13, 14 years ago up until present at the Privy Council. Everybody are watching now. No, if you don't understand this, Jamaica, we are in this predicament because of Andrew, Paula, the Commissioner of Police, and everybody who have them feelings hurt by Vybz Kartel and want to get this man for no reason because them feelings hurt. Now, Jamaican taxpayers are uno play a vivid role in this. Why I say that? Because most of the money, if not all of the money, come out of your pocket. So you, Mr. Taxpayer, and you, Miss Taxpayer, on the pocket go burn no. Because now the government of Jamaica go try every way to raise everything. And you have to pay a major tax on everything to pay back Mr. Vybz Kartel and him 3 co-accused. Paula, you're wicked. Andrew, you're wicked. The Commissioner of Police are wicked. The judge and everybody in the case are wicked. Uno know, say uno never have evidence to put away this man. Uno know, say the evidence we uno have weak, and uno still went away and did it an illegal way, and now the country of Jamaica is suffering because of you people. Anyway, stay tuned.